Most shops still run on sticky notes, text threads, and phone tag. ShopCaliper puts your whole workflow in one place. Here's how. Start with repair authorization. Create the job, add the customer and vehicle, then send a link by text or email, or print it if they're standing right there. Get it signed before they leave. The customer opens the link on their phone in English or Spanish. They can scan the VIN to autofill year, make, and model, then sign on the spot. The signed PDF goes straight to the job file. No desk handoff needed. That file lands on the job board next to every other open car. Inspection, estimate, supplement, ready for pickup. Customer, vehicle, and claim info are already there. Claim files stay on the repair order, not in a pile on someone's desk. Inbound leads show up on the same board, not buried in email. Open the Leads tab, accept and send auth, or pass. The estimate range is already on the card. Open any file and hit Advanced Status. Pick the next stage right from the job card. Approved, supplement, total loss, and more, so the board always matches what's actually happening on the floor. Then notify everyone who needs to know. Customer, attorney, adjuster, in about 2 clicks. Choose text, email, or both per person. No more making the same round of calls every time the status changes. Tasks keeps every follow-up in one place. What's due and what's done. Check things off so nothing slips through. No sticky notes on the monitor, no reminders that disappear. Need a quick estimate on the lot? Snap the damage on your phone. No office computer required. You get an itemized draft in seconds, so walk-ins don't wait. When you're ready to invoice, hit New Invoice and search by Customer, Car, or RO number. Pick the file and the details pre-fill. You're not retyping what you already know. ShopCaliper builds the finished invoice for you. Line items, storage days totals, download the PDF or email it right from the job file. Need a deposit or deductible before pickup? Send a pay link from the invoice. They pay on their phone. Card details stay with Stripe. Your shop never touches the number. When the car's done, mark the job completed. When a job is marked completed, ShopCaliper follows up and can send happy customers to leave a review, so you're not chasing feedback on every repair order. When the board gets overwhelming, ask the shop assistant, what's the next move on this claim? What stage is 2021 BMW in? Draft a ready-for-pickup message you can edit before you send. No starting from scratch midday. Customer and job history live here too. The more your shop puts in, the easier it is to find later. One tap to start a new job from a returning customer. That's your shop in your hands. Open the portal, follow the steps on your dashboard, and run one real car through repair authorization, status, and invoice. ShopCaliper.com/shop.